Hey, it's Cherie from Big Notes Get Votes. Now for me, sirens are absolutely the best thing that you can do for your voice. It is an opportunity to wake your voice up in the morning before you speak. It's a stretch for your voice. You can check in with your voice at the start of the day and kind of get an understanding of how it feels, how it sounds, what you need to do to look after it, how you need to act in the day to really make sure that your voice is supported. So if you hear any gaps or any clunkiness in the coordination of your siren, that can inform you of maybe needing a longer warm-up or some vocal rest or hydration. So it can tell you so much, and you learn from the same exercise consistently how it should feel and what you want to be looking or listening and feeling for every single day. And because it's a great wake up for your voice, if that's all you get time to do before you suddenly have to sing, so you get popped on the spot and someone asks you to sing, you can just do a couple of quick sirens and that will stretch your voice and hopefully get it ready for whatever singing you have to do better than not doing anything at all. Now, ideally, a warm-up that's right for your voice is much better, but if you're stuck and you've only got a few seconds, your siren is your go-to. Now, if you don't know what a siren is, the way that I do it is all about being gentle and stretching. So let me show you. Firstly, I just want you to relax your tongue, place it in an E position. So if you say E and you feel the sides of the tongue going up onto the molars, then I want you to say NG as in sing. So you can feel a slightly nasalized sensation. And then you're going to do a little dog whimper. So you're going to go E, sing. Keep the effort levels super low, and then just very gently and quietly is a good goal as well. Glide to the top and then come back down in a cyclical motion. So let me show you. E. That was a little shaky, so I would do 2 more to iron out any creases and really get a nice stretch happening. Here we go, I'll show you. Not bad, that was better. And then I'll do 1 more. Do it with me if you want. Now I close my eyes to limit any external stimulation, and I'm really focusing on how it's feeling. It's small, it's quiet, it's gentle. I don't want to be projecting in any way, shape or form, because if you think about it like a stretch, say you're wanting to stretch your hamstring, the muscle at the back of your leg, you would put your foot on the floor or up on something elevated and you gently lean into the stretch, nice and gentle, and you'd feel that lengthening in the back of your thigh versus kicking your feet into the air to elongate and stretch that hamstring. And so that's the sort of principle I have in my mind when I'm sirening, is that it's a gentle stretch. I'm not needing to do any loud, intensive work because I'm warming up, I'm stretching, I'm not engaging in any full voice activity. So try the siren, let me know what you think. And a good rule of thumb is what I just did. Do it 3 times. Remember to think about how it feels. Keep your effort numbers low. Keep the volume low. And teach your voice to do something at different levels of intensity. That's really important because we often do what I call the throw the kitchen sink at it singing. And so I want you to be mindful of lowering your effort numbers. So yeah, comment below and let me know what you think about that one.